Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Web Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the background of a video using Capcut on your PC. Capcut's background remover tool is easy to use and it's perfect if you want to make your video stand out with a clean look. Let's get started. First, open Capcut on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Capcut website. Once you have Capcut open, click on New Project and then import your video by clicking Import, or simply drag and drop your file. After your video is imported, drag it down to the timeline to start editing. Make sure the video is selected, as we're going to apply the background removal effect directly on this clip. Now comes the fun part. With your video selected, go to the right-hand editing panel. Go to Remove BG under the Video tab. Click on Auto Removal and Capcut will start removing the background automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on the length of your video and your computer's speed. Once the background is removed, play back your video in the preview window to check for any imperfections. Capcut usually does a great job, but if you notice areas where the background removal isn't perfect, you may need to make small adjustments or add another layer to cover any flaws. If you're looking to refine your background removal even further, Capcut offers a few advanced tools you can explore: the Chroma Key and Stroke options. The stroke is the tool, which can help make your video subject stand out even more. Adding a stroke is like putting an outline around your video, which can be especially useful if you're overlaying yourself on a busy background. To do this, go to the Effects panel, find Stroke, and choose your preferred color and thickness. This outline can give your video a unique pop and help your audience focus on you even if a lot is happening in the background. The Chroma Key tool is perfect if you have a solid color background behind you, like green or blue. To use it, select your video clip, go to Chroma Key, and choose the color you want to remove by clicking on the color picker. Capcut will instantly remove all areas of that color, giving you more control than auto cutout if you're working with green screens or specific backgrounds. Resize or reposition your video if needed to fit within the new background. Adjust the intensity and shadow sliders to make sure the removal looks clean and natural. These tools, Chroma Key and Stroke, give you extra control over your videos and help create a professional look. Play around with them to see what fits your style best. And there you have it. Removing the background in Capcut on your PC is super easy and gives your videos a professional edge. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Web Tips for more handy tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.